Good morning, boys and girls. Today, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at arrays. And specifically, we're going to look at a certain type of array, which is a rectangular array. Now, if you look at an array is a group of pictures or objects or numbers in columns or rows. And if it's a rectangular array, then you have the same number in the columns. All the columns would have the same amount, and the rows going the other way would have the same amount in each row. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to look at this first. So I'm going to ask, how about Darian? Darian, would this be an array? No, okay, that's right. This would not be an array because it is not in columns or rows. It's just random circles. So what we need to do, we need to take these circles and we need to place them in rows and columns to make a rectangular array. So how we're going to do it, we're going to count them first to figure out how many there are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. So I could do it probably a couple of different ways. The first way I'm going to do it, I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this one here, I have one row, and this is a second row. And I have, so there's 2 rows, and I have 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns, 6 columns. So I have 6 columns going up and down, and I have 2 rows going across. So this one would be a 2 by 6 rectangular array. And in order to figure it out, it's almost a multiplication problem. You got 2, this x means by 6, or 2 times 6. And what we all know, what's 2 times 6? How about Isabella? Yeah, 2 times 6 is 12. That's correct. So we got 2, we'll put it here, times 6 is equal to 12. Perfect. Awesome. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try to do this in a different way. Who can think of another way? How about Cassidy? Cassidy, can you tell me a different way you might be able to do it and have 12 total? Okay, you're saying I could have 4 columns and 3 rows. Okay, let's see if that works. Cassidy says we could have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and we're going to have 4 columns. So that's the first column. 1, 2, 3. That's the second column. 1, 2, 3. That's the third column. And 1, 2, 3. That is the fourth column. We got 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. So that's 4. And we got 1 row this way, 2 rows this way, and 3 rows this way. So that's 3. by 4, or else we could say 3 times 4, and 3 times 4 equals, how about Chloe? What's 3 times 4? Yep, 3 groups of 4. That's right. 4 and 4 is 8 and 4 is 12. Perfect. 3 times 4 is 12. Perfect. So we've got 2 different arrays here. We got a 2 by 6 array, which is equal to our 12 here. And we've got a 3 by 4 array, which equals 12. Both of those are arrays, and they're rectangular arrays because they have the same amount in each of the 2 rows, and they have the same amount in each of the columns. The same with the other one. There's 4 in each one of the rows. There's 3 in each one of the columns. That makes it a rectangular array. And you know what? That's all I have to say for the time being. Bye for now.